The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University present this tutorial on managing your course on Moodle. To manage your course, first, go to your course page. You can find the settings as the second tab in the navigation menu. Simply click on the Settings tab to access the course management options. Within the course settings, there are 6 main sections that we'll cover. Let's start with the first section, which is the General tab. In the General tab, as a teacher, you can edit the following aspects of your course. Course visibility. You have 2 options. Hide. Access to the course will be restricted to teachers and other users with the capability to view hidden courses. Show. This means your course will appear in the list of courses, and students can access it. Course start date. This date determines the beginning of the first week for a course in the weekly format. It also serves as the start date for activity logs. If you reset the course and change this date, all dates in the course will be adjusted accordingly. Course end date. The end date doesn't restrict student access to the course. It simply affects whether a course is listed as passed in My Courses. Moving on to the second section, which is the Description tab. Here, you can find 2 options. Course summary. This is a short description of your course. The content you add here can be searched and provides a brief overview of the course. Course image. The course image is displayed in My Courses and the list of available courses on the home page. Administrators can enable additional file types and the use of multiple files. If you use multiple files, they will all be displayed in the list of available courses. Now, let's explore the third section, which is the course format. In this section, you can choose the layout of your course page. There are 4 options to consider. 1. Single activity format. This format is ideal for displaying a single activity or resource, such as a quiz or SCORM package, on the course page. 2. Social format. With this format, a forum is displayed on the course page, encouraging social interaction among students. 3. Topics format. The course page is organized into topic sections, making it easier for students to navigate and locate specific course materials. 4. Weekly format. In this format, the course page is divided into weekly sections, providing a structured approach to course content delivery. Next, let's move on to the 4th section, which is the Appearance tab. Here, you have 4 options to customize the appearance of your course. 1. Force language. This option allows you to choose the language for your course. 2. Show gradebook to students. You can decide whether to allow students to view their grades through the gradebook. 3. Show activity reports. With this option, you can allow students to view their own activity reports via their profile page. 4. Show activity dates. You can choose to display or hide the dates of activities in your course. Now, let's explore the 5th section, which is the Files and Uploads. Within this section, you can set the following option. Maximum file size. This allows you to define the maximum file size allowed for student uploads to the course. Lastly, let's discuss the 6th section, which is the completion tracking. This section offers 2 options. 1. Enable completion tracking. By enabling this option, you can set conditions for activity completion or even course completion. 2. Show activity completion conditions on the course page. This option allows students to see the status of their tasks by displaying the activity completion conditions on the course page. Click Save and Display. You can now see the course's changes and modifications. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for further support.